So it's getting cold, right? It's the time of year. Skin feeling a little dry these days. Summer is over, and it's time to winterize our skin. So let's do that. Here were some ways to do that. Chrissy Dress, owner of Cure de Repos.
Hello.
Repos? Is that right?
Correct. You got it.
French? In Chestnut Hill.
You got it. Absolutely.
I appreciate you coming in.
Thank you so much for having me.
Last time you had avocado on my face on Zoom.
Yes, we were Zooming avocado on your face.
So now we decided to do it in person.
Correct. Why not?
So it's all about hydration, right?
Correct. We're winterizing your skin, so...
You can make your own face mask?
We can. We can even make your own body scrub.
Okay.
So
let's do that.
All right. Essentially, I do have right here, this is going to be olive oil. And essentially also brown sugar. So we can pour the two together and kind of mix it.
Okay. And this is a
body scrub. So you don't want to use this on your face because it's going to be a little too gritty. So
let's do this.
All right, we're going to do it?
Yeah, let's do it.
Okay.
All right, so we're putting this on there.
Yep, and we can do a little...
Oh, get massages.
So you feel how it's real granule?
Yeah.
You don't want to put this on your face, but on your body, this is going to feel amazing. And you can see the oil, how it's really hydrating the skin, but also exfoliating.
I like it. And then if I'm hungry, I just lick my hand and keep going.
Exactly.
All right. So that's one with the body scrub.
Yes.
What's next?
Okay, so you can see here that we have some honey, turmeric, and lemons. So this is going to be wonderful for your face if you're dry or dehydrated. So I have some honey in the bowl here, which is going to be very hydrating. I also have a little lemon here, so I like to squeeze this in.
Sorry. Rehydrating my suit too. We're all good.
We're just, you know, doing the thing. So lemon's going to be nice and hydrating, excuse me, brightening. And then turmeric is going to give a firmness to the skin as well.
So that one goes on your face.
This one goes on your face.
All right.
Yes, you don't want to put too much turmeric in there because it can tend to stain your towels and the skin. So just a little bit.
I was about to put that on my face, and then you said I could stain the skin.
No, we don't want to do that.
All right, we're not going to do that.
Right,
one.
Okay.
All right, but you can do that.
But you can do it.
A little bit of turmeric.
A pinch of turmeric, correct.
All right. Moving on down the line.
All right.
What we got here? So this is like making a milk cleanser, or what are we doing with all this?
So these you can purchase. We have your high end to your low end.
Okay.
Different things that you can do to winterize your skin. So instead of using a gel or a foam, you want to look for a milk cleanser. Okay. Okay. And so I can show you what the consistency of this looks like.
This is the high end?
Come this way.
Okay.
Here we go. So this is the high end, and this would be the low end. And so you can see the consistency. It feels quite lovely. This is going to be very hydrating for the skin as opposed to like a gel that's going to be, you know, more detoxifying and drying.
I'm just sitting here smiling, being pampered. Let's keep moving down the line. High end, lower end. What about here?
So we're going to talk about ceramides. So ceramides are great in the wintertime because it's going to lock in the moisture. Okay. So we want to do that. We don't want our skin to lose moisture because it's dry. So
this one comes with a little spatula.
It comes with a little spatula. So we're going to try that. And this is the high end as opposed to the low end. Okay. This does have carrot seed oil. We're
running out of places to put stuff.
So carrot seed oil is going to be very nourishing. It's great in antioxidants. So that's great for city dwellers like us.
I'm all moisturized. We got one more. We got to do this one quickly. What's here?
So this is going to be your serum, and this is, it does smell great, right? This is high end to low end, and this is your vitamin C. So layering your skincare is also going to be good in the wintertime, just like you do with your clothes.
I like this. We got to come see you in Chestnut Hill.
Yes, absolutely.
And then I'll let you do it all.
We'll do it.
And everything. Thank you very much for coming in.
Thank you for having me, Bill.
Take care of yourself, folks. It's easy. Who knew? All right.